Alright, what's up guys? I don't know if you have seen any of my other videos, but I have a pit bike. It's a little Chinese pit bike. I'd say it's about the size of like a Honda CRF 70, but I have a 125cc Lifan motor on it, and this thing rips. This is my favorite bike out of that bike and this bike. I would rather ride the pit bike than the YZ. But it's been broken because this wheel, all the spokes are completely ruined on it. So I just purchased a new 10-inch disc brake style wheel off of Amazon, and it was about $130 in it, so it should be here soon, probably by Tuesday, Wednesday-ish. But yeah, I'm excited to get that one running again. Provide some great content for the channel, and personally I have the most fun on it out of any bike I've ever ridden. Another thing that was up with it though is the throttle cable actually broke. So there's no throttle cable on it right now, but it uses the same size as the motorized bikes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the motorbike and put it on the pit bike to see if it will work and run. And if it does, which it should, then I'm just gonna go ahead and buy the same size as the motorbike and put it on the pit bike. So then it'll be running. Content coming soon with the pit bike. It's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, let me get to that. Take it off the motorbike and throw it on the pit bike. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by focus. I'm gonna start by taking off these two bolts, slide the throttle off. Take the throttle out of here, unhook everything, and just toss it on the pit bike, and hopefully it'll start up. It's been sitting for a while, and I believe it has some gas in the tank, so the carb might need a clean, which is not a big deal at all, but we'll find out. Think. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it on the pit bike and see if it'll start up. Alright, so I got it on. It feels pretty good. So everything seems to be working fine, and I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Alright guys, so it looks like I am going to need a carb clean because it didn't start, it didn't even come close to starting. But it has been sitting for like a year and a half, so that's probably the reason. Quick carb clean, and it'll be back up and running. Just kind of wanted to make an update video on it and just kind of say what's going on, and I'm excited to bring it back to the channel finally. Good little pit bike, it's fast, so that'll be it for this one. Excited to bring more content with this bike, and people put these on my car one time. And yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, drop a comment what you want to see done to this pit bike, because I do want to do a build series on it, so